Hold on.
He's upside down.
Oh man, the boy cat got him that time.
That ain't gonna be how it ends.
Oh.